Two Tulsa lawyers accused of running an illegal medical marijuana scheme involved hundreds of grow farms are now charged. Good evening and thank you for joining us. I'm Brian Dorman.
And I'm Shannon Brousseau. News on 6's Grant Stevens is live to tell us about this investigation this evening. Grant?
Brian, Shannon, the investigation took about 14 months and focused on Logan Jones and Eric Brown. The Attorney General says those two attorneys recruited people to become ghost owners for more than 400 grow operations. The Oklahoma Bureau of Narcotics caught wind of the scheme when investigators noticed a large number of farms all owned by the same person. That person told investigators it was Logan Jones and Eric Brown's idea.
Directed medical marijuana businesses to sign consulting agreements with Jones Brown's employees who would act as ghost owners of the medical marijuana operations.
The law requires marijuana farms to be owned by an Oklahoman, and investigators say the attorneys charged $3,000 a year to be listed as that Oklahoma resident when the farms were actually owned by outsiders.
There are international, national organizations coming into Oklahoma and setting up shop to exploit our laws.
An affidavit says both Jones and Brown asked several of their employees to get in on the scheme, but never mentioned it was potentially illegal. The two even set up a marijuana company specifically offering legal services and consultants. During the investigation, OBN agents shut down 3 illegal operations linked back to the law firm and confiscated thousands of marijuana plants. The two attorneys each face 8 charges, and if federal prosecutors pick up on elements of this case, there could be even more charges. We reached out to their law office for comment, and they declined to give any. Live in Tulsa, Grant Stevens, Oklahoma's own News on 6.